three on the sort of buy side and one perhaps a little negative, right, Dixon?
Yeah.
It's the last one. Bajaj Finance, Nimesh, what are you picking up?
Well, Prashant, there is an interesting note from Morgan Stanley today on Bajaj Finance. It's a kind of they've written a catalyst-driven idea as far as Bajaj Finance is concerned. They have an overweight rating with a target price of 9,300. But I feel it's going to be a bit of a binary event for Bajaj Finance to track for the next 2 weeks. Why I'm saying is because, Rajeev Jain's role gets over on 31st of March. So that there has to be a clarity on what next role he's going to take as far as Bajaj Finance is concerned. Remember, in the Q3 con call, Rajeev Bajaj and the management quite vocally said that he would like to continue in some form if the board approves it. So, next 2 weeks are going to be quite crucial as to what happens with the change of guard at Bajaj Finance. Morgan Stanley has put out a couple of scenarios with regards to this. The first scenario is that he continues in some form in Bajaj Finance. If that is the case, then Morgan expects another 5 to 8% or 10% upside even from current levels on the stock price. So that's the first scenario. The second scenario is, while he's there in some role of Bajaj Finance, he also takes up a role in Bajaj Finserv, which is the parent company. Even in that case, Morgan expects a 5 to 10% upside from current levels on the stock price. Having said that, the third scenario, which is a very less likely, according to the Morgan notice, he only takes up a role in Bajaj Finserv and no active role in Bajaj Finance. In that case, the stock may see a reaction of 5 to 8% on the downside. So, which is why I said, it's a kind of a binary event to track for Bajaj Finance over the next 2 weeks from here on. The most important trigger is what happens to Rajeev Bajaj and what role he takes up in Bajaj Finance. That's going to be a key trigger for the stock performance in the near term.
Okay, all right, Nimesh, thank you very much for that. An interesting one, and it's an event-driven thing, so it's a bit binary in that sense, and more kind of sort of a trading idea coming in from Morgan, just putting out the scenarios. 85, 81 on Bajaj.